Kung lagi kang sumasagot ng okay lang, boring ang usapan. Today, gagawin nating mas buhay ang English mo agad-agad, friends. Topic natin, paano sabihin ng likes and dislikes sa English. Unang pattern, I like. Ibig sabihin, gusto ko. Example, I like chicken. Simple, 'di ba? Pwede rin, I like fries. I like milk tea. I like pizza. I like basketball. Next, I don't like. Ibig sabihin, hindi ko gusto. Example, I don't like sushi. Hindi mo trip, okay lang. Mas polite ito kaysa mukhang galit agad. Practice, I don't like onions. I don't like horror movies. Ngayon, food naman. Kapag tinanong ka, what food do you like? Pwede mong sabihin, I like adobo, I like spaghetti, or I like mangoes. Kung ayaw mo, sabihin ko, I don't like bitter food. Pero ingat, mas okay kung may smile, para friendly pa rin. Next phrase, my favorite food is. Ibig sabihin, ang paborito kong pagkain ay, example, my favorite food is fried chicken. O kaya, my favorite food is sinigang. Practice, my favorite food is pansit. My favorite food is ice cream. Punta tayo sa hobbies. Kung sobrang gusto mo ang isang bagay, gamitin ang I love. Example, I love music. I love movies. I love games. Hindi ito romantic palagi. Meaning lang, super gusto mo. Ngayon, strong dislike. I hate spicy food. Ibig sabihin, ayaw na ayaw ko ng manghang. Gamitin ito kapag talagang strong ang feeling mo. Example, I hate spicy food, but I like sweet food. Guided practice tayo. Sagutin mo after me. I like. I don't like. My favorite food is. Role play. Friend, what food do you like? You? I like pizza. Friend, what don't you like? I don't like spicy food. Friend, what hobby do you love? I love music. Recap, I like. Gusto ko. I don't like, hindi ko gusto. My favorite food is, paborito kong pagkain ay, I love, super gusto ko. I hate, ayaw na ayaw ko. Now, comment mo in English, I like blank, but I don't like blank. Practice tayo sa comments.